Yes, and this is kind of like a very interesting topic because as a physician, I've worked in healthcare for a long period of time, and this one subject which kind of always comes up is like, oh, our reimbursements are going down, and we are working harder and harder, and we are working longer, and how do we really make more money? And that's kind of like one of those things. How do you really do it? And that's the main question, and the question is not only a question, it's also like limited, because most of people who are working in healthcare, they are working for someone, and especially for a larger organization, and they just can't get or raise whenever they want to, or whenever then extra expense comes in their way. It could be a life event, it could be something they needed for kids, or is something they're helping other, or it can be even a charitable cause in which they truly believe in. So it's very important to understand like where would that money flow from. And 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 realistically, I'm always surprised by this, because uh, healthcare professionals are really hardworking people, just like any other profession, and they're highly dedicated to what they're doing. And it's very important to understand this basic concept in finance, is that you have to create that income stream. You just can't rely on someone giving you a raise, or depending on that, some like insurance companies are going to increase your reimbursement, or your quality incentives are going to take care of most of your expenses. That usually doesn't happen. You end up working extra shifts that can only go for so long. So do start investing your money in alternative assets like apartments, real estate, any other alternative investments you can think of, which is not that volatile, which is slightly less risky than crypto or any of these things. So look at the volatility, look at what it is. Personally, I do invest in apartments to create that passive income and extra income. And you can do it too. You can start. There's some companies which will allow you to start investing in 10 to 25 grand in these assets. You can even partner with someone where you can be a partner in that business and allow you to generate extra income that way. So see what's applicable to you, how much you get involved, how much of a side hustle you want to put in, and how much money you really want to generate out of all this. Thank you very much for listening.